Hello everyone, so it's me again, Bullet Witch Cosplay, and I do have a tutorial for you today. I'm super hyped about the new Resident Evil game, Village, and of course everyone is obsessed with the tall vampire lady, aka Lady Dimitrescu. What I'm going to be showing you on this tutorial is how you guys can make a big huge hat. So it's going to be really easy, really simple, I hope, with things that you can get easily through this time. So let me go ahead and show you what we are going to need first. So first of all, I did buy like a straw hat as a base. For the hat, it's black, but it doesn't really matter because we're going to cover it up. You can get this pretty much anywhere, I believe. So what you're gonna need is, of course, a pair of scissors. You're gonna need some wire. You're gonna need some black fabric in order for you to cover the hat. You can get whichever fabric suits you the most, I guess. Depends, like if you want to make it a little bit more shiny or a little bit more matte, it depends on you and where you can get the fabric. Again, Coco is here. You need to have a pair of pliers, and we need a hot glue gun as well, and of course some really cheap and easy foam for crafts. So let me show you exactly what we are going to do. So this basically is the hat, and underneath you can see I've already cut some foam all along the edges and open the hole for where my head will be. So this, technically you need to do this twice because one needs to go on top and one needs to go bottom side. On the inside we're gonna sandwich the wire. You can buy whatever wire you want in order to give it more stability and allow the hat to turn and have more stability and make it like a little bit more stiff in general. So we need to do this twice, and then we're gonna hot glue this to this. So what you will end up with is this. It's a hat, has a straw inside, the wire, sorry for out of focus, the glue, and this is how it will look like. I have also added some tape for security, extra security, and you should not glue the inside because the fabric will come and cover up this little part of our hats. Like if you can see, I have left openings for the fabric to come and be glued. So this is what you should have by now. So after you have your fabric and everything is set, you should reach this point where you have a double-sided cut-out round pattern for the bottom that you will need to open a hole here. I haven't done it this part yet. And another piece for the coverage for the top where you are going to put over and just put it inside, hide it, put this on top. We need to sew this around the edge, so I'm gonna go really quick sew along the edges, and then I'm gonna open the hole and basically push this in, and then I'm gonna hot glue around the edges, but first I'll hot glue this and then the round part. So basically you should have reached this point where you have the ribbon all the way attached. It needs some ironing, and I know that this is not the best, but it's not necessarily going to be seen if you're tall and it's on top, like no one is going to see it. So it's a very cheap and easy way to do it. So let me show you how it looks. Okay, so here we got the finished hat. Since it has a wire, you can twist it however you like. You see, and you can be your tall vampire lady and squash people. But this is how it looks. You can twist it, bend it, have it basically whatever style you like, and it's pretty cheap, affordable, and I would say kind of easy to make. Something with everyday things that you have at your house. There we go, this is how it looks. So thank you so much for following this really I think easy DIY of how you guys can make Lady Dimitrescu's hat. I hope to see you on the next video, and if you want to see the final photos of this, you can follow me on my Instagram, Bullet Witch Cosplay, and you can see those rewards during May when the release of the game will be. I will have them up on my Ko-fi with the spicy version as well. Oh my god, so much noise. So thank you very much for following, and see you in the next one. Bye!